In a sea of dead NFT projects, how did Pudgy Penguins become the blueprint for survival? Welcome to BingX. Today, we unpack how Pudgy Penguins and the token PENGU stunned the market with a comeback that's setting new standards for NFT-native brands. Let's dive in. What are Pudgy Penguins? Launched in 2021, Pudgy Penguins started as 8,888 unique hand-drawn penguin NFTs and quickly became a sensation during the early NFT boom. They gained mainstream attention through New York Times features, CNBC appearances, and viral memes, building one of crypto's most dedicated communities. Today, Pudgy Penguins has evolved into a global IP with a $2.14 billion market cap as of July 2025. Each penguin features distinctive traits and accessories, but the brand expanded far beyond NFTs into gaming, digital identity, and native Solana token economy. This transformation grew Pudgy Penguins from a simple collection into a thriving multi-platform Web3 phenomenon. Why the PENGU Buzz in 2025? In July 2025, Pudgy Penguins made headlines with explosive growth. PENGU tokens surged 141.2% in 10 days, which represents gains exceeding 310% this past month. NFT floor prices doubled from 8 ETH to 16.57 ETH, now worth 15.3 ETH, while trading volume hit $9.6 million weekly and 18+ million monthly. The community expanded to nearly 4,900 unique holders of the 8,888 total NFTs. Meanwhile, Canary Capital's March 2025 SEC proposal for a groundbreaking PENGU ETF merging tokens with NFTs remains under formal review. This first-of-its-kind ETF could mark a major turning point for accessing digital collectibles and meme tokens through traditional finance. The Pudgy ecosystem, beyond NFTs, games, merch, and Metaverse. Pudgy Penguins has evolved beyond NFTs into a multi-chain ecosystem. The original collection maintains a 15.3+ ETH floor price with strong owner diversity, while extensions like Lil Pudgies add cross-chain utility and Pudgy Rods offer unique perks. The PENGU Clash Telegram game engages 1.2 million users in real-time 1v1 battles with crypto rewards, and Pudgy World creates a ZK Sync metaverse for avatars, socializing, and digital collectibles. On the merchandise side, plushies, t-shirts, and more sells in over 3,000 retail stores with QR codes linking to digital experiences. NFT holders can also license their penguins for royalties through Overpass IP, creating real-world IP value. How did the penguin community drive the surge? In July 2025, Coinbase adopted a Pudgy Penguins NFT as its X profile picture, sparking a viral trend. Major players like Van Eck, MoonPay, and Justin Sun followed suit, amplifying the movement. This coordinated spotlight drove massive gains. PENGU token jumped 60%, NFT floor prices surged from 9 ETH to over 15.3 ETH, and trading volume spiked 690% in one day. Large investors accumulated 200 million plus PENGU tokens, while on-chain volume climbed 230%. Meanwhile, Telegram users surpassed 1.2 million, further fueling brand momentum. PENGU token features, more than just hype. What sets PENGU apart from typical meme coins? Launched in December 2024 on Solana with 88 billion capped supply, PENGU has real utility in the Pudgy ecosystem. It powers PENGU Clash Gaming, serves as Pudgy World currency, and unlocks exclusive drops, rewards, and staking. PENGU Clash marks Web3 gaming expansion, with more titles like Pudgy Party coming in 2025. Learn more about it by clicking the link in this video's description. Pudgy Penguin holders are known as Pengus, or the Huddle. They're given access to a number of exclusive benefits such as exclusive events and experiences. The PENGU token has a total supply of 88.89 billion PENGU tokens. 50% allocation is designed to foster community growth and expansion while rewarding active participants. The core team and company reserves hold 29.28% with vesting schedules to secure long-term commitment. Liquidity pools receive 12.35% to ensure smooth market trading, while 8% is allocated for public good initiatives and token proliferation. Pudgy Penguins' major milestones. Could this be one of the biggest moments in Pudgy Penguins' history? On July 10th, the US SEC acknowledged a filing for a spot ETF focused largely on PENGU tokens, with the ETF aiming to allocate 80 to 95% of its assets to PENGU and the remainder to Pudgy NFTs. This filing is notable as one of the first to combine a meme coin with an NFT collection within a regulated fund, signaling growing institutional legitimacy. Around the same time, Bitcoin's price broke the $120,000 mark after a period of stability, creating a bullish environment across the crypto space. How to buy Pudgy Penguins, PENGU on BingX. Step 1. Create and verify your BingX account using your email or phone and complete your identity verification, KYC. Step 2. Deposit funds via bank transfer, credit or debit card, or other supported payment methods. Step 3. Navigate to the PENGU/USDT spot market, search for PENGU, and enter the amount you'd like to buy. Step 4. Place a buy order, market or limit. Confirm the transaction, and the PENGU will appear in your BingX wallet. Use BingX AI tools to analyze PENGU or meme coin trends and make smarter trading decisions. Don't miss your chance to join the fun and be part of the Pudgy Penguins community. Let BingX AI Chat be your personal trading assistant. BingX AI breaks down important data, current trends, and token insights for you in seconds. Try it for yourself today by simply navigating to the spot trading page on BingX. Pudgy Penguins has established itself as a rising star in Web3 for 2025. Backed by a diverse multi-chain ecosystem, an engaged community, and increasing institutional interest, the integration of PENGU across gaming, the Metaverse, and token-gated experiences strengthens its role beyond speculation. Pudgy Penguins appears well-positioned to continue growing as a mainstream Web3 brand and reshape how NFT-native projects scale and succeed. Comment what excites you most about Pudgy Penguins, subscribe to BingX, like this video, and share your thoughts below. I'll see you next time.